Today we're making chicken fajitas. Let's go. This is gonna be more of a meal prep style chicken fajitas, but you're gonna get 3 different peppers. I have a jalapeno pepper and I've got chicken. We're gonna go ahead and slice our vegetables, red, yellow, green, and a jalapeno. I don't take the seeds out of the jalapeno. If you're a wuss, that's fine. I don't judge, only from afar. I'm gonna do medium-high heat and I'm gonna cook the vegetables for about 5 minutes. When your vegetables are in the pan, go ahead and grab your chicken. I have chicken tenderloins right now. You can use chicken breasts, chicken thighs, whatever you'd like. You can cube them, you can slice them. It's whatever you like. Did I forget to add my onion? Yes, I did. Did I cut it up and put it in? Yes, I did. Now that I have my tenderloin sliced up, I'm gonna do garlic salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna garlic salt and pepper these as well. But not a lot, because I'm just gonna use a fajita seasoning packet for the chicken and the vegetables. Now we'll get started on our chicken. I would do my chicken in batches, typically, but I don't have patience today, so we're gonna put it in. Once you get your chicken cooked all the way through, no pink, 165 temperature, we're gonna add our vegetables back in. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the fajita mix. I'm literally just using this fajita mix. Now the next step is I'm going to add a cornstarch slurry. What? I'm gonna add a cornstarch slurry, so I'm gonna do chicken broth for my water. I'm gonna do 1 cup of chicken broth, and I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is going to kind of add a sauce and thicken it up at the same time for the fajitas. I'm gonna actually cover this and put it on low for about 10 minutes. It's been about 7 minutes. I'm just gonna add some cheese on the top. I'm gonna cover this a couple more minutes until it's melted. I'm gonna add some cilantro. If you want the recipe for this Mexican rice, it's on my channel. Go look at it. Cut!